Hi, I'm Maya, I'm a typical Virgo, and I make videos about bullet journaling on my channel, so if you like bullet journaling like me, stick around and let's get into my October setup video for October, which is my bullet journal in October. Nice, the best intro ever. Okay. So let's get into my October bullet journal, which is obviously gonna be a Halloween autumn type of themed. And let me tell you, this one turned out so cute. I just love using it. Last year I did a similar theme. I actually can't believe it. This is my first bullet journal, which I have posted 2 times for October. What was this sentence? I started with this YouTube channel exactly a year ago, and my first video on this channel was October bullet journal setup, and I'm really happy that I started this journey. It's been so amazing and I had so much fun posting these videos. And also, if I compare it with last year's bullet journal theme, I can see how I've gotten better at doing my bullet journals, and that's so rewarding to see. So for this theme, take it as an upgrade of my first bullet journal video on this channel, and I think it really is an upgrade. I've been loving this autumn. I am in my autumny feels. I'm drinking a lot of coffee and tea. I'm in my sweaters and long-sleeved shirts, and I don't know, it's a vibe. And now when the leaves have fallen off the trees in front of our building, it's such a vibe. I've been loving autumn this year. So for the first page of my October bullet journal for this year, I made a month at a glance a little bit smaller than I usually do. I usually take the whole 2 pages for my monthly calendar, but I kind of thought that I wasn't using it fully and that I actually don't need 2 pages for it, so I decided to switch it up a little for October. Honestly, I straight up copied this page from a post that I saw on Pinterest. I'm gonna link it down below. I don't actually know the artist, but I found it on Pinterest and I loved how it looks, so I decided to recreate it and then make the pages that I usually do in this theme. I've done this type of spread last year in December and I really liked it back then, so I think it's also gonna be great for October. Usually when autumn starts, I want to watch scary movies, but not like horror movies. I get scared really easily, so not horror movies, but like a little bit of a scary movies. But this year I'm rewatching every Y2K video. I watched Mean Girls yesterday. I loved it. Chef's Kiss, such an iconic movie. Like those type of videos, Legally Blonde and this type of videos. I've been getting into those so much and been watching so many of them. These movies are my autumn obsessions for this year. The vibes, the fashion, it's just immaculate. I just loved watching these movies now. Also, if you watch my August bullet journal setup video, there I used stickers for the first time and I made sticker ASMR parts of that video, and I absolutely loved filming those, editing those, and just watching those back. The sounds of stickers are just so satisfying. So now I ordered more stickers, so prepare for November. I'm gonna be using so many stickers. They're just gonna be, the whole page is gonna be just stickers on stickers on stickers and washi tape. I ordered such cute washi tape. Oh my god. I don't know where you order your washi tapes, because every YouTuber that I watch is ordering their washi tapes and stickers on such expensive shops, and the quality of those must be better, but for now I can't afford that. I can't wait for the time to come so I can afford more expensive stickers and washi tape, but for now I'm ordering my stickers on and washi tape on Shein. So yeah, it's not the best, and I hope those designs that I buy are not stolen from some other creators. If there are, I'm so sorry for supporting that by buying it, but for now this is in my price range, so yeah, I can't wait to buy more quality stickers, but for now this is in my price range of what I can afford. I feel guilty to be excited about it, but yeah, I'm still excited for it. I've ordered a lot of stickers, so I can't wait to use them in November and December, and I can't wait to use them. I bought some butterfly stickers, some vintage ones, some lunar type of moon stickers, and such a pretty blue washi tape, and I don't know when this is gonna arrive. I'm gonna check it now, and it's gonna arrive in like 10 days. Oh, so I can't wait to show it to you and to use it and make another ASMR parts of the videos. I loved making those. And since my August video has the most views of my bullet journal monthly series, I can assume that you liked the sticker ASMR too. I don't know if that's too much to assume, but yeah, I'm so excited to do it again. Then for the second page, it's my first time trying this spread. I started using a period tracker for this month. If you watched my previous videos of September's bullet journal setup, I included tracking my period symptoms for the first time, and I included this in my mood tracker, but when I started using it, I quickly saw that I don't have enough space for what I wanted to log in there. So for October, I decided to create a whole page dedicated for my period tracking, and for now I've been using it for a week now, and I think it's great. I started noticing some symptoms that have come on, like cyclically, that is probably not a word, that have been showing up every month, and I wanted to start tracking those so I can fix them. but not fix them. Learn more about myself and my body, and then tracking my symptoms, now I can optimize my day-to-day activities, like the food that I eat, which foods I like, which foods I crave in my every phase of the cycle, which workouts I like in every phase. I also want to track my sleep patterns and my dreams, and I have everything that I want to track written out on the right side of my period tracker calendar. If anyone wants to recreate my period tracker, in this tracker I'm including my phase of the cycle which I'm in, period, follicular, ovulation and luteal of course, then my symptoms like my moods, cravings, libido, body symptoms like acne, bloating, any soreness in my body, this type of things. Then I'm tracking my activities, if I'm doing weights in the gym, cardio, walk or yoga, my alterations, so what I put in my body like caffeine, alcohol, this type of stuff, and as I said, my sleep, so amount and my dreams. I absolutely loved tracking so many habits that I did in September. If you saw my September video, you can see that I tracked 15 habits in September and I loved it. I am in my organizing and tracking era. So for this month, I also wanted to track a lot of my habits, and so I divided them into two groups. One is my habit tracker and the other one is my cleaning tracker. On my habit tracker side, I included how many times I am gonna work out, gonna go on walk, take my vitamins, read, stretch, fill in this bullet journal, do my skincare, how many times I'm gonna journal in the morning, take creatine, magnesium, wash my hair, and do a face mask. And on my cleaning tracker side, I decided to track how many times I vacuum, dust, clean the sink, clean the bathroom, mop, how many times I change my bed, water my plants, declutter, take out the trash, clean my kitchen, clean my desk, and clean my mirrors. I just love organizing and cleaning, and I don't know, there's just something about it that makes me feel at ease when I clean and when I organize. So I love making plans and doing like trackers. I'm not gonna comment on how many times I execute my plans and habits and trackers, but I love preparing them and making them. I don't know if that's just the Virgo in me, but I love making plans and making my trackers. That's why I named this channel Typical Virgo, and this is gonna be my shameless plug. Subscribe if you haven't already. And also because I love watching these type of videos, organizing videos, that's the reason I decided to make this channel. And it turns out I also love making this type of videos. So for now, I only have my bullet journal videos on my channel, but I really want to start making some other content like this in the organizing theme, maybe organizing my apartment or just some other lifestyle videos that I watch from other creators. But it's also kind of scary to do other types of videos because now I've been sort of used to making this type of videos where I just film my hands and drawing the planners, but showing my face and doing something else is kind of scary, but I really want to do it. So yeah, expect some other videos also on my channel. I don't know if that kind of screws up the direction of this channel because I'm not gonna only have my bullet journal videos. So if you only came for this type of videos, I'm sorry. I don't know. Maybe if you are only here for my bullet journal videos, you can only watch those and not the other videos. I don't know, I'm overthinking it. Ugh, I'm just in too deep. I'm just searching for problems where there are no problems. Okay, let's get out of this overthinking mode and get back to my bullet journal. So obviously if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that this is my favorite spread to do, which is my highlight reel, my photo album page, where at the end of October I'm gonna paste all of my photos that not all of my photos. I don't know why I say that every time. My favorite photos from this month. And yeah, these pages look so cute when I look back at the months in the past. It's easier to remember what I did on those months, because if I don't do this, my whole year looks like a blur to me in my head. I don't know if that's just ADHD, but I can't remember anything from the year before. But I can't remember anything. If you ask me what I did in January, I'd have no idea where I was. I had no idea what I was doing. I have no idea what I did last month. How could I remember what I did 6 months ago? I just can't remember. So that's why I love these pages, because that just makes it easier to remember. And I don't want to be too sentimental, but I love how I can see growth from the photos that I have pasted in this bullet journal. And yeah, it's fun to see how I'm changing through the months and what I'm doing month to month. If you stayed until this point of the video, comment down this emoji so I know who's the real G who's watching until the end. I appreciate you the most. You can't even imagine how much I'm thankful for you for watching my videos. And I love when I can talk to you in the comments. Some conversations that I've had in the comments with people that are watching my videos are so interesting, and you all are bringing such positive energy to my channel and my life. My channel is really a small one, but the quality of people that I'm talking to in the comments, you are all so positive. I just can't believe it. It's just such a virtual hug to receive, and I'm really so grateful to have so many positive people watching my videos. It's just so nice. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a lovely, lovely day. Bye!